Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So we got this puddle right in front of the bucket there, and that's actually where our water line runs into that building in the background, and so the water is pumping up out of the ground. Not sure what's going on, but we're gonna get this excavated, see if we can figure out what's going on and where the leak's coming from. Okay guys, so we're digging slow here because we don't want to hit that water line that's in the trench. We just want to expose it so we can get it fixed. So I'm taking my time and I'm looking in the trench after each cut to make sure I didn't hit the pipe, and that way I can take more and more cuts until I can see that pipe get exposed. Alright, so we just found the water line. I'm going to start digging beside it, so that way I can excavate as much dirt around the water line as possible, and then we'll just shovel the rest of it that's on top of the water line. Alright, so my dad's getting that water line shoveled out there. I think he just found the leak right there. So we'll get this exposed even more because we got to be able to pull the pipe out so we can get a new pipe in and get it all fixed up. All right, guys, so we got that pipe all exposed. It was actually a coupler that was leaking. So we got that cut out. My dad's just getting a new piece glued back in, but the only bad thing is when we cut out that one coupler, now we have to go back with two couplers and just a small section of pipe in between them. So that could be a potential of 2 future leaks, because if the original coupler leaked as well, the 2 new ones could leak. But we got the line pressure tested. We let it sit for a while with some good water going to it. And so now we're going to get this trench backfilled and get everything covered back up. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this video. We got the water line fixed, we got the trench backfilled, and looks like we were never even there. So if you guys enjoyed watching the video, give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.